Do you suffer from high cholesterol, diabetes, or hypertension? Don't worry, with my recipes you're gonna feel very well and you're gonna be eating delicious, healthy Mexican food. Today we're gonna make some avocados filled with a tuna salad that is super easy to make, very fast, and it's easy to take for lunch or school or your job, and you can make it just in a few minutes. So let's start. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of chopped tomato, half a cup of chopped red onion, 1 tablespoon of mayo, and 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, half a cup of the juice of the jalapenos and vinagre, and about 5 slices of the jalapenos curtidos or in vinagre, 3 pinches of black pepper, 11 ounces of tuna, and about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. We're gonna add the 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of mayo, half a cup of the jalapenos juice, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 3 pinches of pepper, and now the tuna. Remember always to use tuna in water. And now let's blend all together. This really changes the flavor in the tuna. Don't ask me why, but this happens. Now we're gonna add the tuna, the slices of jalapeno, I just chopped them, 1 cup of chopped tomato, half a cup of red onion, and now let's mix all together. Let's cut our avocado in half and get rid of the bone. The portion for a person with high cholesterol or hypertension, diabetes, diets is 1/4 of an avocado. So I'm gonna get rid of a little bit of the avocado just to have 1/4, there is a portion, and I'm just gonna fill it up with the tuna. So dinner or lunch ready in less than 15 minutes. I know you're gonna love it for sure. So remember to follow me and like me everywhere, comment, tell me which other recipe you would like to see in my channel. I do Mexican food turned into a healthier version. Remember that you can find me as Mexican Food by Laura or Las Recetas de Laura at Instagram, TikTok, and also my blog, mexicanfoodbylaura.com, where you can find all these recipes with photos, portions, and step-by-step instructions. So I see you next Tuesday.